Hello and welcome to the Winter 2024 Major Challenge Theme Reveal video. This is an event in which students across Canada are challenged to make a video game as a team and test their skills amongst others to earn a potential of up to 20 points out of the 50 total needed to qualify for the regional event. These participants will make a game also under a theme of choice, which will be revealed in this video here, and have 30 days to complete this task. And now, the great reveal. It's dangerous to go alone. Take this. What comes to your mind? Some ideas that I think of might be an upgrading system that I need to follow in order to take on a harder challenge. Maybe I make friends with an unlikely ally that make things far more achievable. Upon completing a task, maybe the next step ahead is a puzzle that has a missing piece. A mystical companion, a dimensional crystal, a shape-shifting spell tome. These are just a few ideas, but you can come up with many more. And these ideas and creations are completely up to you. You also don't have to complete mini challenges in order to participate in these major challenges. So if you want to participate, make sure you do. Don't forget, you have 30 days to submit your ideas and be prepared, because I will be playing the top games in front of yourselves as well as my audience, and I'm excited to see what you bring to the table. Remember, it's dangerous to go alone. Take this, and this is up to you.